Nick Rutter from McKee's 37. We've got some all-new leather cleaning brushes I want you to check out. This is our leather and vinyl scrub brush. It's available in two sizes. There's the original, which is about 4 inches long, and then there's the extra large, which is about 6 or 7 inches long. Now when you hear the word scrub, it's not something you normally associate with cleaning leather, but for this particular vehicle, which is a 15-year-old Ford Escape, the leather is a finished type of leather, which is very common, and it's very dirty. So we're going to use the new brushes in conjunction with Leather Shampoo 7030. But before that, make sure you click the subscribe button so you're notified anytime we come out with a new video. So I start off by spraying the seat with Leather Shampoo 7030, and I went ahead and I taped off half the seat so you can see a 50-50 once I'm finished. I spray a thorough amount of cleaner directly onto the material, and then I use the smaller brush to start. And this is good for getting in the tight spots, the nooks, the crannies. And then I'll switch over to the larger brush for the bolsters and the large flat portions of the seat. Minimal agitation is needed because Leather Shampoo 7030 cuts through layers of grease and grime and body oils. And then it can be safely wiped away. And then check out the 50-50. This is with just a few seconds of scrubbing with the new leather and vinyl scrub brush and our Leather Shampoo 7030. Once you're finished cleaning the seat, I went ahead and I completed the other side as well. We're going to apply McKee's 37 leather conditioner with one of our round terry cloth applicator pads. So leather conditioner is going to replenish the natural pH balance of the leather. It's going to infuse it with synthetic lanolin and other moisturizers. That's going to keep the leather soft, supple, flexible, and it's also going to restore that new car leather fragrance. This is something that you want to apply liberally, meaning apply a quarter-sized dollop, rub it in the surface, and then reapply more as needed. Wipe off any excess, and then your seat will look, feel, and smell brand new. So that's McKee's 37 Leather Shampoo 7030, leather conditioner, and our all-new leather and vinyl scrub brush available in two sizes. I'm Nick Rutter from McKee's 37. Make sure you click that subscribe button.